Let's begin by setting the scene. If you are new to SEO or just building your website, the tools you choose matter. You want something affordable, easy to use, and yet powerful enough to move the needle. Ubersuggest and Mangools both aim for that sweet spot. They are, in many ways, made for people like you who want effective SEO without the huge monthly bills. First up, Ubersuggest. It stands out because it is very beginner-friendly. The interface is straightforward. You don't feel overwhelmed. According to recent reviews, it starts at around $12 per month for the entry level. There is even mention of a lifetime due option in the past, which adds to its appeal for budget-conscious users. Because of its simplicity and price point, Ubersuggest is great for solo bloggers, freelancers, or website owners who just want to get going with SEO without too much complexity. What you trade off, though, is some depth and advanced features. Some users point out that Ubersuggest's data may not be as detailed or as accurate as higher-end tools. Now let's turn to Mangools. This toolset is also aimed at beginners and small businesses, but it offers a broader suite of tools, covering keyword research, SERP analysis, backlink rows, rank tracking, and more. Reviews show simple, transparent pricing and tiered plans. For example, the entry or basic plans might start around $29 or a little more per month. As one review put it, Mangools positions itself as a more affordable alternative without sacrificing essential functionality. For beginners who expect to scale or want more data and control, Mangools offers a stronger foundation. On the flip side, even though it's still affordable compared to the major players, it's more expensive than the absolute entry tier of Ubersuggest. So here's the verdict for you. If you are just getting started, want to keep costs very low, and your SEO needs are modest, go with Ubersuggest. It gives you enough to begin, learn the ropes, and see results without spending much. If you believe you're going to scale, build your website into something bigger, or you want better data and more flexibility early on, then Mangools is the smarter investment. In other words, Ubersuggest for starting lightweight, Mangools for growing strong. Either way, both tools show you that you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars a month to get credible SEO support as a beginner. The most important thing is to pick one, use it consistently, and focus on execution, keywords, content, links, rather than just jumping between tools.